So everyone's here, by the way. Perfect. Good. So the delta math, yeah, it was a little tricky. I haven't looked at the word problems yet, but I did do some geometric mean problems with some students during office hours. So we'll do a couple just so you kind of see how this works, and then we'll do some other ones. After this, we'll do another activity. So you're going to need to keep your laptops out and no shopping, no fancy football. So yeah, okay, all right. Let's stay focused. And then we'll have a homework packet, which you guys should be able to knock out today. So I don't imagine you have any homework to do after class. So uh, we're doing the Delta Math, and we're doing a lesson, which is on the computer still. It's like this activity, and then you're gonna work on homework after that. So again, pretty low key day today because I know we do have the performance on Thursday and Friday, or Friday and Saturday, right? Yeah, exactly. So okay. So anyhow, let me show what's going on here. All right. So you're asked to find the length of DC, right? So here's what I do. Whatever you're asked to find, usually a good problem-solving strategy is give it a variable. Call it any letter you want, call it X. But then what you need to, this is the challenge, is how do you relate the numbers with X, right? So I'll just kind of tell you the relationship, but I'll then explain if you're not remembering why it works. BD, which is the altitude, that's going to equal the square root of the sides it cuts. So what side does it cut? Cuts AC. What does it cut into? AD and DC. So if you multiply the sides that's being cut, or the separate parts from what's being cut, AD times DC, that's the relationship. Now, why does that work? I'll explain in a few minutes. But if you do that, 2 is going to equal root 4x. If you square both sides, then it becomes pretty manageable to solve, right? So 4 equals 4x, x is 1. Now, why does that make sense? We talked about this the other day, and I mean, I don't think I did probably the best job explaining. I did much better at the E period, so I'll try to correct this with you guys. See, I don't know what angle A is. Let's just say it's 40 degrees. I'll just make something up. And of course, it's 90 degrees right here because you see a right angle. So how much is left for this marking I just made, which is angle ABD? How much is left over for that? So you have 40 and 90. How much space is left? 50. Good. 50 degrees. Perfect. So now if that's true, then this has to be 40 because angle ABC is 90. 50 plus 40 is 90. And this has to be 50 because you have 90 right here. And of course, you have 40 with the other side. So if I were to rotate, let me get rid of actually I'll keep the markings. If I were to rotate the triangle off to the left, ADB, rotate it, say clockwise 90 degrees. So now the base is DB, not AD. The base is DB. Remember, D is my right angle. So I got this, right? And then the smaller right triangle, which is BDC, let me draw it right next to it. BDC right here. So that's B, D, and C. Now label the sides appropriately, right? DC is X, we said so. BD is 2 because it's labeled. BD is 2. So notice that BD has a dual purpose. BD is a long leg of triangle BDC. BD is a short leg of triangle ADB. So it serves a dual purpose. And AD, of course, is 4. Now, if I do ratios, 4 to 2, that's not going to be hard to read. 4, darn it, 4 to 2 is equal to 2 over x. So 4 to 2 is same as 2 to x. Cross multiply, solve it, you get the same thing. You want to get in the same relationship. That's why you can get away with that. Or, in more of a general sense, BD is the height, right? What if I call BD H? Fine, call it H. H and H. And call, say, X and Y. Great, whatever. So DC is X, and that's Y. Well, guess what? Y over H equals H over X when I compare the sides. Yx or xy equals h squared. Square root both sides, you still get the same thing. You still get the height being the square root of the two separate parts. That's why it works. So now let's try another one. So that's one. Okay, feel good about that. So this one's a little more challenging. It's kind of the same thing again. So call it x, right? Now you know the shortcut, you can just do this. Square both sides, solve for x, x is 3. See if we can find one that's a little more challenging. They're all kind of the same. Let's see if there's another one. Okay, this is a little different. They asked for BD. BD is X. So X equals square root of 77. And that's just is what it is. There's nothing you can do about that. So I say 77 for that one. Oh, no. Got type square root. Okay, I think there might be a more challenging one in the next set because I think these are all pretty straightforward. Hopefully, are you guys okay with this? This now makes sense what to do? Okay. Yeah, these are all pretty straightforward. So now let's see. I think it might be level 2 or I don't know. Let's see here. Okay. This looks a little more challenging. They want us to solve for AB and they already labeled it for us. Okay, great. Awesome. Well, here's the deal. Let's call this, this is 2. We know this, right? How do I know DC is 2? Because AC is 4 and you take the difference, right? So let's now call this Y. What does Y equal? Root 2 times 2, which of course is 2. So now I know this is 2. Then how would I solve for X? What would be my next step? Yeah, let's just do the Pythagorean theorem or whatever you want to do. Or there's another way of looking at it too, using some trig ratio of special right triangles, but we haven't had that discussion yet. 8 equals X squared. X is root 8. Now root 8 can be simplified. You can pull a 4 out of it. Root 4 times 2. That's 2 root 2. So 2 root 2. Let's try another one here. That's 12. And that's Y. So you do the same thing again, right? Y equals square root of 15 times 12. Use a calculator. That'd be 180. 36 and 5 is a pair. That's 6 root 5. Silence your laptop, please. Thank you. So that's 6 root 5. Do Pythagorean theorem, which could be a little bit of a pain. If you square 15 and square that, you have 225 plus 180, which is 405. Square root of that. Oh boy. What's that going to be? So I have a calculator. Ollie, have a calculator. What's 405 divided by 9? Oh, thanks. Actually, I can pull out more. I do 81 times 5. So it's 9 root 5. So it does get a little bit complicated with the radical stuff, but the connections with what we've done already should be pretty straightforward. This one here, how would I solve for BD? If I know of 2 sides, hey, girls, I need you to focus. Thank you. How would I solve for that side? Or Colette or Maggie, either one. You already know 2 sides of a right triangle. So what theorem am I using? Yeah, do Pythag. So if that's 4 and 6, I'll just save us the trouble. It's root 20 if you work it out, which is 2 root 5. Now you have that. Now you have the altitude. Now you can do this whole geometric mean thing, right? 2 root 5 is going to equal the square root of this portion, which is 4 minus x, and the other portion, which is 4.
5 squared AD.
Right. But that's what I'm going to do. AD times DC. Yes. So BD squared equals AD times DC. Yes, I totally do that. So that becomes 20 equals 4 minus x minus 4, or square the radical part. 16 minus 4x equals 20. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's actually a negative number. Wait, does that make sense? That makes no sense. Hold on, I made a mistake somewhere. Give me a sec. What did I do wrong? 4 minus x times 4. 2 root 5, that's correct. 1636. So that's 20 equals 4. Oh, okay, I'm going too fast. I should have x minus 4, guys. Why is it x minus 4, not 4 minus x? What's bigger, x or 4? Yep, that's my fault. I dropped the ball on that one. But see, I self-corrected. Notice it didn't take me very long to self-correct. So this is actually good. I made this mistake. I do this for a living. I'm like 3 times your guys' age. Should not make these mistakes, but I do. But I have faith in my abilities because I know I can do this math. So I have faith in your abilities. I know you guys can do this, right? You guys can do this. So when this happens, you get something that's not reasonable. Like I can't get X as a negative number. Just tell yourself, I made a careless mistake. It's okay. You understand. I saw, oh yeah, X is supposed to be larger. Now I self-correct. Now I got this. 4x minus 16. So 36 equals 4x. Now I feel better. Like now that seems reasonable, right? X is 9. But as you can see, that's a little more challenging, right? A little more going on there. All right, let's look at the next one here. We'll get to the word problem in a moment. Here you're supposed to round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary, solve for x. That's just looking at ratios. So if you compare the sides correctly, so clearly h goes with k, and that's 63. So j goes with m. So if I said triangle JIH is similar to triangle, if I go small, medium, big, MLK, right? Yeah, MLK. So 95 over x equals 90 over 49. Uh, 47.5 if you or take half of 95. So that's stuff we've done in the notes. You guys should be okay with that. I don't imagine that'd be a problem. Yeah, more of the same stuff. These are all similar triangles. Yeah, I don't imagine this will be in labeling the sides. I don't imagine this being a problem. So last one, the word problems. How was that? A little tricky, maybe, I don't know. Okay, what do they want in this problem? They want the length of the or width of the lake. Oh, in this case, GH. Yeah. So I'll call it X. Now, you know these are gonna be right triangle, sorry, similar triangles because they share angle F. So I could say 135 over 275. So small to big, small to big, small to big. And yeah, just use a calculator to work that out, whatever that is. If I show you another problem, yeah, same thing. They want to hide the tree, right? So I call this X. Great. Small to big. So I don't know what that is. That's gonna be what, 4.15, I think. Yeah. 16.95 equals 1.35 over x. Cross multiply, work it out. So okay. I think we're good there. Anything else? We're okay. All right. Yeah, if you have some trouble with it, just keep working through it. Actually, I would say I'll probably recommend this link in our test review. Well, our test's not till next week on this stuff, at the end of the week on Thursday of next week, so October 30th. This is actually a great way to practice for our test because you should see problems like this pretty close to it. So, all right. Now if you guys go to Schoology, and I do need to hide my screen because I'm about to expose some grades. It's actually from pre-calculus. Here we go. Okay, so let me unfreeze. Yeah, so if you guys click on either updates, or I emailed it as well. If you click on updates, it's called learning.amplify.com and join, whatever. Or if you click on the homework, that's another place too. And I know some people have to leave in a few minutes. So essentially what you guys are going to do, it's kind of like part of your homework. You're going to visit the site. We're going to go through the activities. And once you're done with it, then you're going to work on the homework assignment. The homework assignment is actually going to be in the notes packet. In the notes packet is your homework. If you go to the second to last sheet, I believe, or third to last, whatever, I can't remember what it is. If you go here. Your homework's gonna look like this. And just so you don't, there's no confusion, because I hate for you to spend like an extra hour doing problems you're not supposed to do. The homework's gonna be find the difference between 2 points. It's in the thick notes packet. If you don't have it with you, you can download it here. It's gonna be these questions here. You're not gonna do all 28. Please don't do all 28. You're gonna go crazy. I tell you what to do. I tell you to do 1, 9, 10, 17. I did 8 problems. So it's less than a third of what's there. So just keep in mind that will be the homework. But we need to understand what's happening. So there's a little demonstration we're gonna tap into right now.
Wait, so the homework is learning amplify that then?
Correct.
And the packet?
Well, actually, the amplify is like kind of a lesson today.
Okay.
Yeah. So you will need to probably log in with your Sacred Heart account, which obviously is powered by Google. I think that's not powered by Amazon. Yeah, that was kind of crazy. Yeah, everything's fine now. The world's back in order. We didn't let Vladimir Putin get to the best of us. Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it fills it in for you.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah, and then there's gonna be this demonstration on hold on. Why did I do not what do you guys see right now? You guys type in the code. Hold on. Are you there right now? Okay. To do. Shoot. Okay, hold on a sec. Oh, I got it. Okay, I have to sign. Okay, let me sign it. Here we go. Okay, so Kira, I see you on there. Ale, I see you there. Zoe's there. Lucas there. Faith is there. Sabine's there. I'm going to assign it right now. I'm not putting a due date necessarily. Okay. It's just a part of our lesson today. It's powered by Desmos. Okay, are you guys there or not there? It's like a bunch of slideshows. Yeah, it's on homework 22, or if you could click on update in Schoology. I'll come and help you guys out. It should be in go to Schoology again. Click on homework 22. I'll run the board also, but homework 22. But yeah, just click homework 22 because it'll you'll need to log in with your Sacred Heart. Yeah, the code should be right there. Yeah, it's DNC VVP. So DNC VVP.
Do you want to do this thing? Can you snap it in? Oh.
Yeah, that's long on your one. I think my cigarette.
I can't snap with my other hand.
Not beautiful, like a hamster.
How? How do you do that?
That's how I always thought it was supposed to happen. Somebody had to voice out. That's not it. It's not the wrong things wrong.
Three.
No.
They told me, I told
You do sports, right?
It's like the back.
Probably a good idea.
If he was recording this, is he recording?
It's cool.
Oh, yeah, he is recording it.
It's
Did you hear that, Cotto?
I'm not gonna attack, but this is your rate.
You know about how.
Bad, but I have to listen to this because they missed the lesson. Just singing the entire time.
Yeah,
Ready?
so then you go.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, go.
One, go.
Our activity.
I have a bonus.
Are you there then? No. Okay, go try
I know you feel overshadowed by the I don't want to show my legs.
What, are you looking at the avatar?
Yes.
Look at my avatar.
Avatar. Wait, did I do it?
Connor.
Yeah.
Have you
In
edited your avatar?
Does this look like me?
Oh.
No, I didn't.
I have that yellow. It's not.
I'm not.
Oh, I edited my avatar.
Yeah.
What?
But it actually like looks like.
No, he didn't put it in.
I have this here.
Wait, guys, what top should I wear?
Wait. Should I have this hair or the yellow hair?
Do we like this one, or do we like that one's more stylish probably? Or the next one?
What's that?
This one really makes me look like a triangle. There's no word, Connor. I don't know what you're talking about.
Loaded.
I did. Oh, I think this is too. Like,
Oh,
never mind.
Which hair? This hair or my yellow?
The yellow.
Olive.
These are
Olive.
Alright, okay, guys, so let's make sure you guys are at the activity first.
Yep.
Okay, are you guys there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
you guys are there? Okay, good.
Wait,
All right.
just complete the lesson.
Yeah, so I'm gonna walk you guys through it. So I could see the responses, but like you look at the first one there, it's pretty obvious that length is 4, right? So like William, that's great. Maggie, that's great. Connor's great. Luke's great. Cool. And actually, just so yeah, okay. So there's so we have actually kind of like full transparency here. All right. Or we can make it anonymous. Okay, so you guys have like new names now. So I don't know who Gertrude is. Gertrude Blanche. Tatiana Toro. These are interesting names. All right, so now if you go to notes 2, okay, how long is that guy? That guy's gonna be 6. So good job, Wang and Trishette. All right, okay. If you look at notes 3. Now, this is the part I really care about. Okay. So this is where I'm going to help you guys out. So like Wang and Trishette are wrong. And Jesse, you're like way off. All right. So okay. So what was that? I don't know how long to work it out. Okay. So Pythagorean theorem, guys, that's a length of 1. Notice I drew a right triangle. I made that segment a hypotenuse. And then the base is 2. So if I do this, if I call the side x, the side I'm trying to find, what theorem am I going to use to solve for x? Yep. And so you get root 5 when you solve for x, which Connor, I believe, is 2.2. Can you guys type in square root into this, or you have to type in a decimal?
It was 2.23 something.
Okay.
Square root of 91.
So it should be, yeah, root 5.
Sorry. Oh, I'm on the wall.
So if we do the same thing for number 4. Yeah, there we go, root 5, 2.2. I guess for number 3, they asked you to estimate. Did he give you like a ruler or something, or? Yeah, I mean, you could guesstimate. Number 4 is the same. Yeah, number 3, you were just trying to estimate, and then number 4, you're actually being precise. Like you actually are doing the Pythagorean theorem. So it's trying to teach you the reason. And just full disclosure, the reason why we're doing this is that the freshmen tomorrow are gone for the freshman retreat, and my E period has a lot of freshmen. So this is something they can do on their own without. So this is, you know, I'm totally following Mr. Davis' lead on this. But it's kind of neat, you know, you're learning distance form. You're learning that, hey, distance form is just the same thing as Pythagorean theorem. That's all it really is to it. Like you look at this one here. I want to find link that red line. Great. Let's draw a right triangle. Easy peasy.
Don't say the size of that, please.
Oh. Oh,
Oh,
okay. Oh, that's funny. Yes, that was not done. Actually, Mr. Davison did it on purpose, maybe. Yeah. Actually, that was an answer to one of my questions on my pre-calculus test today. And even my kindergarten, like my middle kid, she knows 6-7.
like get her and take.
Maybe. Okay. All right.
We have like something like this we have to do for the.
Oh yeah, I don't see you guys tomorrow. It's for my other class. For my E period. Yeah, correct, right. That's fine.
Would
So
be a lot more fun, but
so anyhow, 6 squared plus 7 squared equals x squared. That should be root 85, I think, which is like 9 point something. So
wait, do we have to complete all this for homework?
yeah. So we're gonna go through this whole thing here. This one, notes number 5. Again, it's more of the same stuff. You kind of do more practice. And what you're doing is you're literally taking the difference in x and y coordinates. Then you stumble, guys. Note 8, you actually stumble upon the distance formula, which is kind of a wacky formula. Don't be daunted by this. Don't find this daunting or don't be intimidated by this. Here's the deal. If I draw a coordinate plane, draw 2 random points, and connect them, call this x1, call this x2, call this y1, call this y2. Draw your right triangle. Now let me ask this question. Say I call this A. Say I call this B. Say I call this C. What famous theorem allows me to relate all these sides? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, if you think about it, what if I let C represent the distance that I want to find? So say I call that D, right? So that'd be D squared. Now, what if A, isn't A this difference in the x coordinates, right? Isn't that a horizontal leg? That'd be x2 minus x1. So you got to square that. B, isn't that the difference in the y coordinates? Y2 minus y1, but you got to square that as part of Pythagorean theorem. And there you go. If you square root both sides, you wind up getting this formula. So even though this formula looks crazy, like there's like all these letters and subscripts and mathematical operations, don't let it scare you. It's just Pythagorean theorem. And honestly, if you find this between 2 points, I prefer you just plot the points, connect it, draw a right triangle, do Pythag. That'd be much better. So that's really what's happening here, this activity. So calculate the distance, use this formula. Check your answer. On the side, so like just more of the same stuff. I will be honest, this does get pretty cumbersome after a while. Doing the same thing here. Checking it out. Calculate this between those 2 points. Check your answer. What questions do you have? Feedback. So you guys just going through this. Once you're done with this, hold on, Zoe. Once you're done with this, then go to your packet, your notes packet, and just do the 8 problems I suggested in Schoology, which are 1, 9, 10, 17, 18, 22, 27, 28. And that's what you'll do. So that's it. That's our class. So we still got plenty of time. Still got another 27 minutes. So you guys totally knock out this activity, knock out the homework, and have no homework for me until I see you guys Thursday. Yeah. Yeah, so good. Yeah, good, yeah. Okay. Okay, good. 6, 7. All right. Yeah, I know. Even my middle kid wanted me to do it. I know. Okay. All right. Yeah, my middle one, the one who's like she's not even 6 yet. She's in kindergarten. How did I even start in the first place?
I don't know. I have no idea what a 6 is.
And this Mason kid like said it on a video,
Oh, okay.
and then it became really popular, and I hope it dies really soon.
Okay, because it just seems so nonsensical. Yeah.
I didn't.
Yeah, you're a old soul and young body. I'm the other way around. I'm a young soul and old body. So
No, wait, no, because you're not old. That wasn't true. You're not old.
I'm 47.
You're 21.
In 20 years, I'll be 67. My dad came to this country in 1967. So, but also it's because of coming from a war-torn area. So that's more the story. Okay, great. I'll do that. But you guys show the work though. There'll be 6, 7 steps. And the proofs. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, because on the month I'm late. Okay, you can talk on.
Yeah. Because I'm not a good
That's good. But
outside of school.
So I don't have a phone, so I actually like.
do this for your parents. It's good.
Here, so I average more than 1 hour a day. And I say, when I take more than 1 hour a day, I mean like. Oh, that's right. You just slept. Oh, yeah. but like, I don't think it's the ability to ask their- It is so hard to
Okay, wait, so I leave it in like this square root form.
I told.
Yeah.
Is Jesse Wilkins Jr. an actual person?
Uh,
He responded yes to this number answer.
we could make it not no more not anonymous.
What? Go to.
Now it's no longer anonymous.
Whoa.
Yeah, Lucas. I didn't skip homework.
Wait, Ollie, how did you get 5 for them? That's so embarrassing. I mean, the 2 bars where we actually were playing. Really? Yeah. I have.
I know.
Outside.
I know.
Yeah. I dropped some. My bad. I watch movies. And play with my dog. Do you have a dog? You know they're alive, like, so they spend some time with those things. That's interesting. It's not even my vehicle, for another good. They're doing some hungry break. No way, bro, just it's sudden. You wouldn't have gotten them. It wouldn't have been that way. Yes. It's played on this.
It's like.
Really? I know that.
This game.
Getting better at it.
Yeah.
Go back. Because you got something to. Harm. Los Yankees.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. What? You voted yes. That actually is for it too. What is that? Wearing a what? A suit? Yeah, my name is actually Bartholomew.
Oh, we're good. I actually was there when you're yeah.
Yes.
Use that way.
Peter edit.
Griffin Smith, that's back.
Really? Griffin made it.
Yes.
Why did Griffin make it edit?
So, you know, I can't like that.
When?
Yeah.
You rap?
Yes, he had multiple album covers. Multiple songs, which I could share. with
Well, you have the edit.
Right, what?
You have the edit.
Of what?
There's a
I do not have it.
Oh. I haven't. If you want to see something. We'll see it.
Actually, on the retake exam, we could have all the answers be 6, 7. Maybe. Or every problem's worth 6, 7 points. Okay.
Idea.
You're not.
I finished it. You finished all these.
Will, you're not. Will, you're not.
So then go to the notes packet in Schoology. You're gonna do the packet says this is formula. Sorry, it's the sheet that says this formula. You're gonna do 1, 9.
Have that. How do you have?
Unbelievable. I do not have this.
Yeah, 1, 9, 10, 17.
And we have to turn this in.
Yeah, this will be homework to turn in.
Stop, Connor.
I think you guys get this homework done in like 10 minutes. If that,
I'm struggling.
like pretty fast.
I do most. That's a.
I got an answer, but everyone else is like.
It's edited different, so I feel like it's wrong.
They're probably wrong. You're probably right. What number?
No, it's no, it's there.
Yeah, Mr. Almasha.
Oh, is it?
If there's highlights.
This one here?
In the water.
No, the next one, the next one.
Oh, sorry.
Worried about well.
Yeah, that one, I got group 6-1.
Yeah, so you go 5 down. 5 right. It should be root 50. Yeah, it should be 7.1. Yeah, it's fine. We should still get the same thing. So you have -2 comma 0, right? And you have 3 comma -5. So you guys subtract the coordinates. I'm not sure if you added them. I don't know what you did. Well, no, if you add them, you should get a much smaller number. Yeah, if you subtract, you should get root 25 plus 5.
For distance, well, yeah, so no matter what measure values are, they're just gonna be what they are.
Correct. Correct.
So you guys.
Calculator. And I just put it.
Zero.
So root 50.
44, it's not.
Yeah, it's not be simplified if possible, but 113, I think is what I know, right? It has any factors.
Lucas, did you say?
Yeah, like say root like
No.
20.
Are you making fun
But then 120 can be divided by 4.
The answer was a number, and you said.
Like 2 is 30.
Okay, we still should be making.
Okay, A for creativity.
Yeah.
Because it's.
You just, you knew the question, you knew the question already, so
So these numbers are.
there's so many different answers.
So I have it in. What?
Mr. Almashi, can you fail Alessa in this class, please? Via Corta, VILLACORTA.
No.
Please, no.
There has to be a sense of integrity for me to fail something like that. That's for a good reason.
I know. All right, how do you say your name? How do you say
Like I put something away.
How come I put it into this? What was that? When I put it like that.
Seriously, she take my word for it. He told me I was right.
Wait, hold on. So if I plug it into my calculator like that, it's not gonna be right, is it?
One day.
No, you got it. That's correct.
Oh, that's correct.
So if you want an exact answer, which I might, yeah, because that'd be 64 plus 49, which is root 113. But yeah, you got it.
Wait, so that's fine. Like,
Yeah, but for a test, you may want to practice writing it in exact form. Homework is fine. It's okay.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's different. It's fine. It's fine.
You didn't get rid of the side part.
Mr. Almashi, can you fail me? It's wait.
Get out of here.
What?
RAKOCZY. Can you fail me, please?
Why?
Just now, so I don't have to
Deal with her?
the depression later.
Oh,
Liver.
This is not a smart house.
Would I have that somewhere?
That, it is when I sit with you. When I'm over there, I'm just very listening to who played it. I'm over here.
No, you did not do it to me. I know you did not.
Well, it's all.
Oh.
It's all. It's all. This is.
Okay. Since I was right and I can do it on my
Just don't say that it's 8 hours.
Also.
You've never heard it. You've never heard it. Cold blooded.
When you like, I'll lay your breath behind your door.
I keep on around the clock. That's ours.
Can I hear it?
Yeah, hold on.
I don't know about.
I
You know,
have it. I have it.
heard.
Me?
Wait, is that the one where you're going?
Like getting
Because you would attach me like I have it's. Started.
Yeah. No, I do not.
You should-
Okay, go then. Wait, bye.
Hey, rule three.
Yeah.
Follow rule
Yeah,
three.
rules.
Have Scott.
Go,
This is-
get out.
oh, is that-
Go. No. Oh, you were asking.
I was not asking.
You were. Adios, bye, adios, bye.
My goodness gracious.
What does that even mean? Oh, I see. That's one.
No time to think about other people complaining.
Not-
You gotta be cold blooded, ice in your veins.
Oh.
Maybe I gotta.
Actually, now that she said it, I would like them.
we don't even understand what words, like,
You wrote that?
Yes, he has like 7 more songs.
Oh my God.
He said this on me.
He did all of the writing.
Yes.
That was like tea. I didn't.
I have the literally
She did all of the dolls. She got to draw nice shapes and
That
did
is so wrong.
calculating like computers.
I did all the calculations, you just did not take that from me.
What do you mean we did all the calculations? You counted where the dots were. That's like totally different.
He's so wrong. What the? No, oh, you do.
Once I got with friends, he's those sad. But we all have a song. Because all his songs, well, most of his songs, he still has some other ones, but he still raps.
I got 10 on 10.
And I thought, hey, he raps.
What did you get on it?
What?
9.
He's the one.
You heard.
Because we were like
Like,
joking,
you know,
joking, we were calling him that he should do it.
Where?
Square
We
root.
actually did it. You know.
I did not get that today again. I did not get that. I put it into my calculator.
You know, you can also do math. So.
Okay. Oh. The Alexa says she got 9. Oh, wait, I'm doing the homework.
That's
Oh, yeah. Check this on number 9 of the app. 17.
Oh my gosh, is everybody coming to see Little Shop of Horrors?
No.
Awkward.
Well, that's mean.
Nobody is.
I'll be there.
Oh my god,
He has like
that's.
7 more.
Yeah, but, Maybe.
It's at 7 PM on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
I think I'll do the Friday. 7 p.m. Friday. Okay.
Well, the teachers also get free admission for Thursday, because in the faculty and stuff.
Oh wait, when is that on Thursday?
It's 4:30.
Did you bring some with you?
Yeah, I think actually Thursday might be easier. Actually, it probably might be a little tricky.
A lot of kids sneak in. Such a sneak because let's support the theater and all that. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think so.
What was that?
Oh.
What was that?
Are you amazing?
It's the
sentence.
Technically, on
Wait.
like the.
Connor,
Yes, that's it.
Oh,
What? Wait, I'm just confused, like, what the dentist, is it like, it's not, so,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, the main character is another, like, he's kind of pathetic, or he's out, and he works with a girl who's like out of his home, and I'm her abusive boyfriend. But I have I have like a very, you should come see it, then we can find out.
No, it's someone in our grade. I swear it's not me.
He's,
They both
close to
from-
six.
They just,
Like,
He-
that's
the
fine.
guy, I don't have nearly as much as an older.
I wish that's.
I wish I was, yeah, as old as him. Dennis is the summer.
No, I just.
No. I don't know. I got the link there. Good old Lucas Marcin's Spotify. 6 months ago.
Since it was flying, it was this one, like 7:30.
Yeah, that's it.
0 monthly listeners.
But I'm following.
Put my
that.
stuff
I'm
on.
following you.
so.
Dude, play my make songs, bro, because he has those songs on there.
Yeah, you're not gonna find.
But you know, I do.
What? That's crazy.
He's different.
Secretly.
Ooh,
I'm
get
verified.
What?
I'm verified on it.
You just read it by yourself.
I asked David if he wanted to be here today. He said,
Hold me down there.
wait, where are we? Imagine getting denied by the night.
So much anger. David.
What did you just call me? What? No, I'm not answering to that. Wait, your parents told you that? Wait, is your nickname? Alan?
I'm sorry.
Alex.
That's a forever.
Okay. Like this, Alan.
It is style. Good job.
I was calling you Olive. Yeah, you do.
I was also last, that was like the last
I-
day of
I-
school too.
What?
May 26th is the last day.
One of the last.
And I
Actually,
Yeah, you called me Ollie. I'm like, yeah,
like,
She likes to go by Al.
Yeah, I think.
I do not. I was like, wait, with Alex. No.
No, it's
Okay.
without the E.
Alex.
What?
On.
Just everybody else know about it.
No,
That's why I listen to Flynn.
Tell the children my name.
I'm enjoying.
No. No. They say, I'm name. Why do you have to tell the children? I'll call you Alan, but I'm gonna, yeah, probably get there. Good, how do you say your full name? I want you to say my name. How do you?
Well, I mean, how are they gonna talk to you?
Like, what was his eye?
You're getting giggity goo. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cause it just went quiet and then.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Wrong time, you know.
That's not very nice then.
So.
So Monty, you moved to the side very quickly.
Oh, sorry, just walking around. Actually, I'm working out the retake test right now. Get rid of all this stuff.
Wait, what is this?
Good fan.
How many were my kids?
He's a this
Sure.
where it's like, it's like,
Oh, yeah, Carter, second semester.
It's just different.
You're what did you say about fried chicken?
Actually, I did better this like semester.
Okay.
I didn't like it, Bruce. You don't like Bruce this semester.
my whole thing, and just sent it to me,
I
start,
still don't know.
put it in the car, and
Like, I know get there. I do, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like, I understand that, I just don't know how to.
the whole thing, in the car. Yeah, cause he wanted to show his mom.
It's not. I get off.
And then his mom was gonna
It's
tell
not.
him, like,
It's. What is it? No,
That's-
no, it's literally wrong.
So what did it say?
Oh,
it was like,
Mr. Washington, Evan Saxon wants to.
Good.
well,
He's calling me Ally, but that's not my name. And it's a lesson.
how dangerous, badass it was.
I do not prefer Alessa, and I think that you guys should stop.
He means, he plays for the county tonight, he was on, he was Orange Brother and Orange Brothers in fifth grade.
It's not your fault.
Yeah, he's on Xbox for the team.
It's-
That's like horrible.
Actually,
Yeah.
it's not, like, I'm not really unless I'm forced through.
You're really.
He
That.
he pulled up to weights, yesterday. Trying to get him a specialized weight that was like, everything was on it.
Actually.
She had to go to the storage,
Longer than I.
it was 7.5.
Whoa.
I didn't-
Did you hear that? She just used a no. Sports are friends.
Just think of that, traffic is for him.
Wait,
I
I
have to come here. Yeah, like, that's a career long festival.
I said.
I'm not as
Oh
like.
no. What then? I hope you try out.
And if they did, I choose.
I'll be on.
She was playing with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to leave. I'm like, how is it about that?
I'm sorry. You still.
I'm like.
I like to coach fish.
I know you're like a little.
You mean it's not less so it's easy, right?
Very quiet.
So it's going to
Is it
there.
start?
I got to send one.
Played before.
You know what, you so like, I think you're right.
In ten, you. But it seems
Like,
like you had getting dressed slam.
He's looking at wrong.
Okay.
Gotta get the
Please,
it's on straight.
Tell me you're not.
Chris isn't playing. There's no way. I don't think he's playing.
Oh, is that Mondo's son?
Yeah. I'm trying to see if he's playing baseball or not.
I remember he was constipating it.
I don't think he is. Well, actually, now that Quincy is like, it's not him Quincy.
Yeah.
You're taking seriously. It's real weird that you really dehumanize the money.
Who else is on your?
Why is the Wi-Fi down?
What the hell?
Oh, it's not mine, we're good.
Are you serious?
Oh, what? Be pretty good.
Yeah, well, he was pretty good, but he wasn't here like at a whole lot. He's like usually in. Don't really hear.
Hey,
He's
you
a
remember
real
Bill
dog.
Not me, did you hear what she said? I think,
Where's the photo?
Yeah.
She really good. She really.
Why?
Well, project. Yeah.
Oh, still recording.
That was it. And post it.
Excuse me, let's